Class, myself Madhi from Park University. Welcome to the Unit 2 discussion of CI 601. Good day, everyone. In this video, I'm going to plunge into the enigmatic world of software development methodologies, focusing on how approaches such as Agile and Waterfall make a difference in a final result of a project. My analysis is based on the previous research, especially borrowing insights from studies such as Alveri and USM and Raj Gopalam Mathav and Sugruvaran 2016. Understanding such impacts in a crucial in an enterprise's environment where success or failure is often predicted by the output from the undertaken projects. Hagley methodology, user involvement and user feedback. Due to the continuous user involvement in a development process, because Agile is an incremental and interactive nature, the product builds closer towards the needs and expectations of the user rather than what the developer thinks it or should be. Due to this characteristic, satisfaction with a system and usability are substantial. Flexibility and adaptability. Agile is very flexible to change. It considers evolving requirement, thus it is suitable to solve problems that do not clear have a set of initial requirements or that are up for radical changes and develop. This is often yield more effective solutions, customization, built, and sometimes at the expense of the time and a resource predictability. Team dynamics and communication. Agile promotes the team collaborative environment with a continuous stand-up meeting and restorative perspectives and provides a better team dynamics and the windows for the problem solving, but it's difficult to maintain constant basic sense, high levels of commitments, and the communication amongst all the team members are required. Waterfall model, structured and sequential. It contrasts the waterfall models in such more structural and sequential. It suits for the projects whereas requirements are clear cut and no frequent changes are expected. The clarity of predictability often leads to the better control over the resources and deadlines. Risk of the user's needs misalignment, however, it is an interactive feedback lack. There is an high risk of eventually effort results to the product which is not compliant to the user's requirement. Under such circumstances, revisions becomes a costly and unsatisfaction, and a final result may occur when delivered. Planning and the documentation. A point of strength that is attached to with the waterfall is high-level documentation and upfront planning, which ensures everything to be thought and though rigid in an approach as it might not respond well will change with changes or adapt itself with the new information for the user feedback. Comprehensive analysis. Comparing Agli and Waterfall, it is a definitely clear and chosen methodology may affect the project outcome to very great extent. Agli, with its user certain design, enhances adaptability and satisfaction. At the same time, there is a high commitment of the communicativeness of the team members being required, although waterfall development assures the predictability and structure. It may fail to adapt the change of effectively in a meeting the user exceptions if such are not exhaustively understood during the process of understanding the initial requirements. In the conclusion, uh, uh, the choice of a software development methodology should adapt to the needs of the project while factoring variables such as complexity and of the project, the number of stakeholders involved in the size nature of the team. There is no one solution fits all, as suggestions are by the research of Elveri and Uism and Rajgopalan. Uh, Instead, understanding the strength and weakness of every methodology is depth seems to be the conditions sine qua non for the desired project outcomes given this dynamic field of software development. Thank you for watching and are looking forward to fruitful discussions on this topic. Thank you.